everyone. Do you ever feel unsure how to talk about your daily habits in English?
Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to talk naturally about your daily routine, just like native speakers.
This conversation is full of useful phrases you can use every single day.
So stay with us till the end because you're going to sound more confident after this one. Hey, Sarah, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. I love starting my day early.
Wow, that's impressive. I wake up a bit later, around 7:30.
That's still early. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of water and stretch a little. It helps me feel fresh.
That's a good habit. I usually start my day with meditation.
Oh, nice. I've heard meditation really helps you focus.
It does. Just 10 minutes of quiet time makes a big difference.
After that, do you have breakfast right away?
Not immediately. I first make my bed and tidy up my room.
Good habit. I usually go straight to the kitchen for coffee.
How? Coffee is my second step too. I can't live without it.
Same here. A cup of coffee wakes me up instantly.
Do you eat breakfast or just drink coffee?
I eat something light, maybe eggs and toast. You?
I love fruits and oatmeal. It keeps me full for hours.
That's healthy. I should try that sometime.
You definitely should. It gives you great energy.
What do you usually do after breakfast?
I check my emails and plan my day.
Oh, I do that too. I like writing a to-do list.
Yes, planning helps you stay productive.
Exactly. Then I get ready for work around 9 a.m.
Same here. I start teaching my online classes around that time.
Oh, right. You're an English tutor. How long are your sessions?
Each class is about 45 minutes. I usually teach until lunchtime.
That sounds like a good schedule. I have meetings most mornings.
Meetings can be exhausting, can't they?
Totally. That's why I like to take short breaks.
That's smart. I stretch or walk between classes too.
Do you take a lunch break at a fixed time?
Yes, around 1 p.m., I try to eat something homemade.
Nice. I sometimes order food if I'm too busy.
Happens to me too, especially on hectic days.
What do you usually do after lunch?
I relax for a few minutes and listen to music.
That's a nice way to recharge. I usually scroll through my phone.
I do that sometimes too.
How do you spend your afternoon?
I prepare lessons or study new topics.
That's productive. I usually work on marketing projects or ideas.
Sounds interesting. Do you work until evening?
Yes, mostly until 6 p.m., then I take a walk outside.
That's a great routine. I usually do some yoga in the evening.
Wow, yoga. That must help you relax.
It does. It clears my mind after a long day.
What about dinner time?
I usually have dinner around 8 p.m. What about you?
Around the same time, I like light dinners.
Same here. Heavy food at night makes me sleepy.
True. After dinner, I watch a show or read a book.
I like reading too, especially self-improvement books.
That's nice. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30, I try to sleep early to feel fresh next morning.
That's a healthy habit. I usually sleep around 11.
Not bad. Sleep is so important for our routine.
Absolutely. Without good sleep, everything feels off.
Exactly. That's why I avoid using my phone before bed.
Oh, that's a great idea. I need to start doing that too.
It really helps you sleep faster.
So, to sum up, wake up early, plan your day, eat healthy, and sleep well.
Perfect summary, Alex. Those are the keys to a great daily routine.
Thanks, Sarah. Talking about habits always motivates me.
Me too. And to everyone listening, start small but stay consistent.
Exactly. Good habits make great days.
And great days make a great life. Keep practicing English daily and live your best routine.